Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. It's now time for the Financial Week. OneOnOne Educational Services initial public offer IPO has closed. A notice to the Jamaica Stock Exchange Friday afternoon said the offer to raise $358 million was oversubscribed. The IPO, which put to market 380 million shares in the company, opened this morning. The basis of allotment will be published at a later date. OneOnOne says the funds will be used to drive growth and expansion of its services. Small and medium-sized enterprises in the entertainment and transportation sectors now have access to a new loan facility from the Development Bank of Jamaica, DBJ. The government of Jamaica, through the DBJ, launched the facility, which will allow participants earning less than 15 million Jamaican dollars to borrow without collateral. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark addressed the launch on Thursday.
$500 million in an entertainment loan facility, or a loan facility geared towards MSMEs operating in the entertainment sector, to access, courtesy of the DBJ, through a network of financial institutions that operate and specialize in delivering services to MSMEs. These loans will be available for 3 years with an initial 2-month moratorium. And in terms of the need to provide collateral, that need will be non-existent. There is no collateral required.
Now, these facilities are being offered at an interest rate starting at 3% per annum. Now, similar terms will apply to the $250 million facility to transport businesses and operators.
Up to $750,000. If you are a PPV operator, you are a carriage contract operator, you're a tour bus operator, or otherwise. And these funds can be used to make your business more attractive to customers. And again, we're lending this network of financial institutions at 3%.
Now, the loans may be accessed through a number of credit unions, JN Small Business Unit, Access Financial Services, Lasco Financial, and Bull Investments. Businesses, depending on their services and size, can access up to $10 million. Now to some news in the banking sector. Michelle Wright has been promoted to Vice President of Scotia Caribbean, Northern and Central. Her post will see her serving as Chief Financial Officer and Chief Administrative Officer for the region. Wright will assume the post effective August 15. She will continue as a dual role as the CFO for Scotia Group Jamaica until the local post is filled. And to the currency market today, the US dollar is being sold for an average $152.47. $119.52 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $187.68 for the pound, while it's costing an average $158.32 for the euro. The JSE index advanced by 362 points today, while the junior market index gained 78 points. Leading the advances were Access Financial Services, Berger Paints, Productive Business Solutions 9.75% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, and Dollar Financial Services. While on the losing side were CAC 2000, Iron Rock Insurance Company, General Accident Insurance Company Jamaica, Main Event Entertainment Group, and Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares. And that's it for the Financial Week. But before we go, here's a look at what's to come in the Business Review on Sunday.